Definitely an inside day today, so we're going to have a look at doing some computer-aided graphics using a free download called FireAlpaca. I'm going to use FireAlpaca because it's easy to get to grips with and it's free. It's not going to be a full how to use every single detail of it. I'm just going to show some key features to get you going. If you're a student at Mille, you'll be able to find a link to it on our Technologies Frog page. If not, then of course you can just search for it on the web. Once you've installed the download, just click on the icon on your desktop and proceed to set up a new file. The software comes with many obvious features, different pens and brushes, the ability to change the width or the colour that you're using. What's really nice though is it enables you to work on different layers, and also in each of those layers to select specific areas to work on using the Magic Wand tool. In this example, I'm going to quickly build up a background with some layers and then show how the Area Select tool can be used to wicked effect. Just a word of warning though, sometimes it seems that the wand tool doesn't work properly and wants to pick things up and move them around. In that case, the answer seems to be to press the control button down on your keyboard. In this next example, I'm going to show how the use of layers and opacity can be used to build up quite a detailed image. So first of all, I'm going to take all the layers away. Then I'm going to put them back one by one. I'm going to start with the lines at the back of the object. Of course, I didn't draw them as faintly as this in the first place. I drew them as dark lines and then turned the opacity down. The lines at the front of the object can go in at full 100% opacity. And then I'm going to begin filling in the liquid in the bottle. And now a bit of shading, again varying the opacity just to get the right effect. And colour the glass in. And finally the top and a background. At this point I realised that I hadn't quite got the layers in the right order, so I sorted that out, and here is the finished product. Now, KV, T-Rex, Kilgore and the Moose have all been having a go at their own artwork while we've been at this. Let's see if you can work out who produced which piece of art. Well, can you? I mean, what can I say? It's just full of beauty and meaning. I think it was the North American connection that inspired me, that and having these handy antlers for flinging paint around with. What? It's smaller than you expected? Well, what do you think I can manage with these tiny forearms? What can I say? It's the original. Everything else is purely derivative.